website. Ben je schilder, designer, muzikant, startende ondernemer, MKB'er of wereldverbeteraar? Ga ook online met je eigen...
Let's start with the onions. Let's remove the ads. And let's watch one of our videos. Yeah, you look good. Next one. I hope I'm not going to cry. I hate when it's and the rice. I forget about the rice and the truck again. I'm going to go down. Yeah. Yo. I hate this one in the chicken fillet. Oh man, I'm starving. I don't need this one. Anything else to remove? Look at this. Gross. No, one more. Let me try some life hack I saw on the internet. Is it working or it's not working? Yeah, it's working. Nice. I want to remove everything grows from the fillet, chicken fillets. Hello? Well, nice. What else do we do? I don't like this one. Is it the same? Yeah. I can feel more of the gross joints of the muscles of the chicken. I can feel it with my fingertips. That's a bone. I hate it. If I chew this when it's cooked and I feel the bone, it will be disgusting. This knife is not that sharp. Yes, we're ready with the chopping. I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to grab my rice from the truck. I always wash my rice because the water is dirty with some compound of the rice. It's always. Yeah, nice and clean now. That's the rice. I like the basmati rice. I'll leave it this one here and let's go. That's better. Yes. Pour some oil. Sunflower oil. When it's heated, I will put the onion inside. Yeah, I can use that for a trash. How does it feel? Should I put my finger inside? No, never. What's this black something? Get out of my meal. No. It is done. It is there forever. The meal will be so much more delicious with that little black thing. I think it's too dark here. Let me turn on the lights. Yeah. Turn on the lights. Yeah. How does it look like? No, much better. Come on. Onion, cook yourself. No, it won't cook by itself. What do you think? I think it's time for the meat, for the chicken to go inside. I'm not a cook and I cannot explain every step I take, but I know this meal from my mother and it's my favorite meal. I really like it because when I train, when I make exercises or go to a fitness or something like that, it's very helpful to get the protein from the chicken, and I would put in rice. That's for the carbonate. And it only needs 2 spices. Salt and pepper, the real basic one, and it is amazing flavor, especially when you put the pepper like this, freshly chop it, yeah, it's so much more tasteful and aroma aromatic. This handle is so hot, it burns my fingers. When all the meat going to be white, I will put in the rice. After a very short period of time after the rice, I will pour some water. Like how much rice? Three times more water or 4. It depends on the rice and that's it. Very hot handle. This one? Oh, this one is hot. And this one is hot. Hotty. Hotty potty. Hot pot. I think the meat is ready. We are going to need this water in a minute, but before that we have to make like this. Am I recording? Yes. I think it's almost enough, just a little bit more because I put in more rice than usual. Maybe just a little bit more. Not much, maybe. Ooh, that's too much. But I will cook it. I think it's ready. You can turn down the stove and wait for another 10 to 20 minutes, and after that, happy meal.
That out there could be the very point at which history turns.
Guard. The Borg consume. They assimilate. They don't ask to be assimilated.
Delicious.
Dr. Juras,
I think caution is warranted, but everything about this is unique. More we know have been effectively decimated, functionally hobbled.
so wouldn't it stand to reason that they changed tactics?
Absolutely. Victory through whatever means necessary and in the absence of strength. Deception.